Here's an example on how you can simplify and streamline your employees' onboarding experience by creating an onboarding course with a custom playlist featuring elements such as image and text slides, videos, questions, document uploading, activities, forms, and more. Now, within these fully customizable forms, you can have employees complete this online or on their phone and include fields that pop up according to logic. They can fill out their information, upload documents, check agreements, electronically sign, and more. You can also allow new hires to self-register through a link we'll help you set up. This can be used for employees or craft workers or contractors. You can set as many or as few of these fields as you like, including custom fields like specific ID numbers. Once the onboarding process is complete, you can generate a fully customized certificate that automatically pulls in information like their name, the course, the date, plus adds a QR code that links back into our system. For an extra tidbit, if this worker prints their employee ID badge, this will show their company, location, name, company role, and employee ID number, although these fields can be set by you. But using our SafeTap app, a supervisor could scan this QR code and instantly bring up and verify this employee's certificates. Find out just how easy onboarding can be. Reach out to book your demo today.